Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to set up shipping on your Shopify store. First, open your Shopify and make sure you are on your admin page. From here, go to the left panel to the very bottom and click Settings. On your left panel, look for Shipping and Delivery. And then from here, you're able to customize details about your shipping and delivery. So let's get started with local delivery and local pickup. Right now, it doesn't offer, my shop doesn't offer both, but it would be great if you can offer these to your customers so you'll be able to get more customers within the area. So all you have to do is click on this one and then mark this box that says this location offers local delivery. And then before you can do anything, you have to make sure your location is verified so that it's up to date and accurate. You can add or use postal codes for your delivery here. Add a zone name. You can add your postal codes here, and you can enter prices for your minimum order price and delivery price. And if you need to create a new delivery zone, like for other postal codes, then you can click on it. And then going back, let's go to local pickup. So the same thing, click on it and click this box. Now you can put more information like the expected pickup time for the product or for the item. You can also check here the checkout preview for your shop. You can give out instructions to your customers what they should bring or where they should go for the pickup. Once that's done, of course, just click save here. And then let's go back up here on shipping. So if you're able to ship internationally, then you can add it here. Or if other parts of the same country where you're in, then you can also navigate here. So all you have to do is click manage. First is where the country I'm in, Philippines, that will be for domestic. Now, if you want to edit that and you want to be more specific which parts of the country, it might be a different price for the shipping. So all you have to do is click on this three dot icon and then click edit zone. You have to go down and this is where is your domestic delivery or shipping would be. You just have to untick that and then open here so that it would activate the other areas in your country. So let's say, for example, I want to first set up shipping for some parts in the north. Then I would select the cities and then I would name this North Philippines. And then I'll just click done. And then I can go back down here and put a rate for it. Right now it's free. So I can click the three dots again and then I can click edit rate. So I can retain the name for the rate standard and then maybe I can put 100 and then just click done. If you have a special rate, then you can go ahead and do that. You can set up your own rates or depending on the carrier. Now, if you want to create another zone, just click create zone here. Go back down again and open this up. Now, since these are in another zone, they cannot be clicked, but the rest are available. So you can go ahead and do that and create more zones. Now let's go to international. If you offer shipping internationally, then you can go here. Right now, it's available to all of the countries, but if you want to edit that, the same thing, click three dots and edit zone. For you to be able to be more specific on which country you can offer international shipping, you have to unmark this box first, and then it should open up all of the countries, and they also have places within the country. Now, if I'm able to ship to Canada, I can click it here, or if only parts of Canada, then I can untick and just open and choose which places in Canada I can ship. Once it's done, then click done. Right now it's under Canada and 3 of the provinces that we ticked earlier. And then you can be more specific on the rate here. So just click 3 dots again, edit rate, and let's say I would put 2,000. Click done to make the changes. Now again, if you want to create zone, just create zone here. You can choose more countries internationally. Once you're done setting it up, don't forget to hit save up here. Alright, so your profile is updated and that's it. That's how you set up shipping on Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.